Hi guys, welcome to Terra. One in King Hall, both actually. So
Last time we left off,
we saw Maleficent, the witch, and right now I did just level up once. So if you think I did a little bit too much, I apologize for that. I just don't like just level once. I just found Blizzle, and if you want, well, where is Blizzle, then just still tell me in the comments. Actually, I'm going to show you what app we done with this, and why people hit hard, pause, because literally we are all wild mode. And I just gonna skip through those things because it's not necessary. And this is the castle. This is the castle of put supplies. They're grinding. I go and this how we change it. And you could make your things get different things, like example. Like this hat scan, you could give something else if you want, and also this quick line, you could literally do that and do like a combo.
why do you do it?
It just lock by pressing L1 and lock on the target you want to do it on. You move it
How
around.
do you do it?
Literally,
you hold down the L1.
Yes, where like it showed this.
You have when it show red, you can't aim.
Yeah, but where it's green, you have time to like make it get to a max lock. For this is 10, and this is called Sonic Saddle. And their song is make you zoom around. You got visibility and all that stuff. And since I do not know no heal magic, I had to try to survive without heal magic or switch to Oculus.
My brother here doesn't understand. He got cure. So he got healing magic, he just doesn't want to use it.
Actually, I don't actually, because I could just show you I do not have no healing magic for Terra leveling. I mean, I do have potions.
Yeah, he has potions.
But not magical magic things like kill and stuff.
Yeah, he has potions, yeah. So he just don't like using potions. We don't use potions. And
some potions
he had cure, he just threw it away or something.
Wait a minute.
I don't know what he did. But he had cure.
Anyway, you see, it came on one, it kind of like these for King Hot One that called shadows. They go across, so you go all around, and literally you could report, see what the enemy, how many enemy you killed by game record. Wait a minute, not game records, unvoiced. The force of those called float. And literally, it tells you stuff. These be ones where you can swap. But hot ones, these, and then these. Anyway, And most, if you know, each time you complete a different level, different place, you get different things. And what I hate about this game is, instead of triangle, S is to over the chest. So if you like hold up for like a special thing, your character, what your character doing, and like you do not want to do it, too bad that if you buy a miss. That's one thing I kind of hate. And the cutscene showing the door of darkness, but the keyblade goes lightly dark from inside. And why I do it that voice because I feel like it. And just gonna relax, calm down, and I'm gonna stop talking. And lazy. And then people have dealt with some stress dealing. Like this guy, Terra, his dealing is Maleficent. And you have to get two things for there will be Lord be memorable. It's so remember their old self. Like when you get whole mass, you become whole full power. So one left says the dragon. Now they're talking for in the downfall area. We failed you, Master. See, I told you they will be controlled by Maleficent, the witch, the bad witch, the evil witch that caused her powerful hell, and die a gruesome death. Honestly, sorry, Maleficent, wait, you got down. That's it. How did I? Really? Nothing vintage. And if you don't know, offers, relatives, and tell are like siblings. But they do not know who their parents are. You know, you'll keep the future to will keep late. Still on this. Too bad we cannot fight with you. Wait, before we have it off with a boss. A boss. But this boss is could be in trouble, probably not. But really, he is here. But the rest, probably please are not. And you see delete on the left hand. And move, and stuff else stuff. This is the map of the place. Anyway, if you go here, you get is cloud, there's transfers, sleep, a stickle, and a attack tree. So you know what. If you haven't seen melt, so we know what we are missing. So we know we missing. This gives you attack haste. Literally that way. Do anyway. Nothing waste time. Well, and if I haven't shown you yet, the parts and they stick all out. You could see what you are getting. I'm just saying you see what you're gonna get. The fourth prize, if you get 30 pounds, you get a post crystal, 40 finals, Slimmer Storm, Blade, Sonic Blade, and Wilderness, I gotta say, both me and my bro have got this yet. So Aaron Sky, so yeah. Well, see you. Bye. Don't forget like, subscribe, comment, and goodbye. See you next video. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to see my bros let's play of King Hearts or any one.
Or Resident Evil Scratchman.
Yeah. So do not be afraid.